Today I'm replacing the exhaust fan in my bathroom. When you replace an exhaust fan, make sure it's the right size so it can get rid of moist air and odors in your bathroom. Exhaust fans have two ratings, CFMs and SOHMs. CFM stands for cubic feet per minute, and rule of thumb, you need at least 1 CFM per square foot. For larger bathrooms with a shower and a tub, you'll want a rating of at least 100 CFMs. For smaller bathrooms like mine, a 50 CFM rating is just fine. SOHMs determine how loud the fan is. For quiet fans, you might see a rating of 1 or less. For loud fans, it could be 3 or more. This exhaust fan is the perfect one for my bathroom, so I'm gonna install it now. Let's start by removing the old exhaust fan. I'm gonna remove the grill just by pulling on it. I'll pinch these metal clips to release them from the housing. I've already turned off the fan and flipped the switch at the breaker box, but I'm gonna use a voltage tester to make sure there's no power running to the fan before I begin. There are no flashing red lights or sounds, so I'm ready to proceed. I'll unscrew it and then disconnect the power cord from the power supply. Before I remove the housing, I'm gonna put on some safety glasses. This part can get a little messy. I'll remove these mounting screws so I can pull the housing down. The housing is attached to the air vent, so I'll be sliding the whole unit over to my left and then remove the tape from the air vent to free out the housing. Now that the air vent is removed, I can angle this housing down and out. Now it's time to pull the wires down, remove the wire nuts, loosen up this screw, and remove the wires. I told you this job can be messy. I'm gonna feed my wires into the top of the housing. And since I have a quick connect system, I'll attach my hot, neutral, and ground wires into the corresponding hot, neutral, and ground wires here. With this quick connect system, all I have to do is push the wire right in, just like this. I'm just gonna fold them back in so I can place this cover back in the box. Now I'm reattaching the wiring box to the housing. Now I'm gonna place the housing in the hole, placing it straight up. It's best to use HVAC tape instead of duct tape because duct tape can peel over time. Time to slide it into place and fasten it to the joist. Now it's time to install the fan and put on the grill cover. To install the grill cover, I'm pinching these springs and guiding them into these clips on the side. And I'll just push it into place. I've already adjusted my grill so it looks good and turned on the circuit breaker. Now, moment of truth. Perfect. It's working. Remember, to take moisture out of the bathroom, your ducts need to go out either the sidewall or the roof. So if you don't have the proper ducting in place, you might want to call a pro.